Part 2, and voila, it's done. Wait, you're saying, what? I didn't see any of the drilling. What happened? Well, I forgot to hit, I didn't hit go again. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this journal apart, I'm gonna turn around and I'm gonna sew it together the opposite way so you can actually see that process. And we're just gonna go from there, okay? So this is how it's done. Just taking it apart. Yep, there we go. All right, this should come right out. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn my entire journal around, and we're going to pretend. No, we can't pretend that. We have to pretend. Well, I guess we have to use the side that has the flapper. So I am going to use that. It doesn't make a difference if I do it this way, does it? No, not really. Okay, so we're just going to start here. Okay, now I've already drilled there, but I'm going to drill for you on camera so that you can see what on earth is going on. And I think what I was in the process of doing was grabbing elastics to keep my papers from running around, which just keeps it a little bit easier. Okay, so get one of those and get some real long loosey-gooseys. Oop, not that long. And am I on? Let me just double check. Yeah, I'm on. Okay. Sonny, did you see, these old elastics? Who bought these things? You got them in a grab bag from the thrift store. What do you expect, Ma? Okay, fine. Oh, yep. Apparently they must have been pretty old. Okay, this one's not so bad. Okay. But you just need to see the concept. It's going to be fabulous. You just wait. All right. So, first of all, we are going to align. Make sure we want it where it is. So, put it close enough to the edge of your journal. Okay, so it might be translated a little bit to the left compared to over here, and that's okay, all right? You can put it in the middle. The only thing is you have to remember is when you put this on top and you're getting ready to drill down, that you peek and make sure you're going straight into the paper and you're not coming accidentally off the edge of this. Okay, so let's make sure we are aligned correctly. Okay, that looks pretty good. Okay, this will be my own personal journal, obviously. Okay. And I'm checking. Now, I'm going to use this pen to see exactly. You want to make sure that the holes go into the paper block. The paper block is aligned. I'm just going to make a mark to see where that lands. That's a good spot right there. Oh, you can't see. That's 100 miles away. There's a spot. It's right there. That would be a good spot right there. Here, put a black marker on it so you can see it. That's where it is. And let's see where this one's going to be. Yep, right there. And this one's going to be, oh, you can't see that. Right there. Here, there, you see that? Oh, okay. There, so there are, those dots seem far away, but there's a dot, and there's a dot. Okay, that dot seems kind of, yeah, let's do that a little bit. Okay, that's good. Yeah, now we're aligned. All right, so let's do some drilling. Let's do some drilling and see how this is done, we hope. Okay, so first of all, maybe watch a YouTube video or two on how to work your drill, but my drill, I clicked this little thing here. It's got this little thing. This is a Black & Decker lithium drill, so it's cordless and this battery lasts a long time. Okay, so I click, there's a thing here that says, this is, okay, if I push it towards me, it's clockwise, which means screw into whatever, drill into whatever you're working on. If you push it in, it screws out or drills out of whatever you are into. So it needs to be the nub facing me. The nub is sticking out. There it is. That's what I want. Okay, so now I'm going to drill down. And the most important thing is to stay vertical. Okay? So here we go. And we're going down. Go slow at first. And then push. It can go fast. Oh, wait a minute. We got to put something underneath. Hold your horses. Retreat. Okay, that's the most important thing. Okay. I have a book. I have a book. There we go. We have a book. And drilling into a book is a nice thing to drill into because it's, you know, if you have extra book blocks around, it might be a great thing to use. Use a phone book or some kind of heavy book is good. Okay, and here we go. Oh, no, I'm not going anywhere because why? I'm counterclockwise where I need to be clockwise. So now I'm clockwise. Now I shall make progress. Yay, me. There, I'm through. Okay, come out. Okay, same thing here. Switch it again, clockwise. Straight down. Don't move. I think I'm through. Okay, and here, can you see me? Nope. Hang on. Here, there I am. Drilling. Whoop, the other way. Clockwise. That's the hardest thing to remember. Backwards. Counterclockwise. Okay. Now, for my next trick, we are going to use the lint brush to get rid of all the debris that came out of the hole. Very handy little tool. And now we're going to check to make sure our holes went through. There's the hole. And it went through. Oh, okay. And it went through. Find the hole. Oh, and it went through. And find the hole. Find the hole. And there, we went through. Okay, so we have 3 successful holes. Now, let's thread them. Let's thread them. Sorry for the two-parter again. Not my favorite thing to do, but it happens every once in a while once I'm knee-deep in a video and I've just gone too far to go back. Okay, so normally this is technically one signature, even though it's about 125 pages, it's just one signature. So normally we would go 3 times the height of this, your book in order to sew in the one signature, but because it's such a fat book, I'm gonna go 6 times the height because I wanna double my string. 4, 5, 6, and I'm using a waxed thread, and you can find this in my Amazon shop, or you could also, I put some in there because people were asking about it, but you can also find it on eBay or Etsy or bookbinding sites and things like that. So it's bookbinding waxed thread. You can also wax your own thread running embroidery floss or different threads through beeswax. That's another way to do it. Okay, and we're going to start from the middle. Okay. I'll go closer so you can see. Going through the middle, and then through the middle, and then through the middle, okay, and then through the top, okay, through the paper, okay, almost, and then through the top of the cover, pull. It's not too hard once you get past it's not even hard doing the drilling, it's just a matter of going straight up and down. I think that's the most important thing. Through the front, through here, and then through the back. Okay. No, we don't want to lose that. Oh dear. Did I say that was I see I did. I should never say that. Did I get it? Oh, almost. Is that it? No. I lost the thread. Hang on. I'll get it back. I'll sneak attack it. I could pull the whole thing out, but I think it's faster if I just do this. I think it's faster if I just do this. We shall see. There it is. Okay. And, okay, now we're going through here. And then the very back. See, I know better than to say it's easy. Yep. Okay, back it up so you can see. Through the middle back, the middle paper block, and then the middle front cover, and you are through. And there we go. So pull everybody tight. It's very important. Okay, now, so here's the back, here's the front. Now we want to pull tight. Okay, then we're going right over left. Tight. Now this bridge is in the middle. Did you see that? That has to be in the middle of the 2 wings of the angel. Okay, and we go left over right, which feels really weird. That's the way you know if you're doing it correctly. Then I don't know, then I get lost of what feels right, but then just to keep doing a few more opposite, you should be good. Now you can tie a bow here, or you could put some dangles on here, or do all sorts of things. You could glue things onto the threads. I'm just going to tie a bow right now for the purposes of the video. That may change after I'm done with it, but okay. Just going to use my little lint brush here to clean up the book. There we go. Putting more stuff back on now because my little lint brush getting full. Yeah, that's what's happening. Okay. But there you go. So there we have it. We have a completed book. I undid my bow, but let's take a closer look at it to see what we actually have created. Okay, so this is what we have created. There's a book in there. See that? Here's the spine. Okay, we don't need this anymore. Can that come off? I don't know. We can take these off. Let's just remove them. Be gone with you. Okay. That one's easy enough to remove. This one we'll have to figure out. Okay, there we go. Ow, gone. Okay. Yes, now we have a book. And here is our spine. It's an exposed spine, meaning that actually there is no spine. It's just the book sewn in with the autograph style folding maneuver. So this is this. So this first inch of the front cover stays stationary while the rest of the front cover opens very easily. Now, pretend you don't see these holes here and that never happened, but you have a beautiful set of pages here that are ready to journal on, to write on. You could use coffee dyed papers. You could use any kind of papers you like. Just beautiful, and you can put tons of them in, and you're really only limited to the length of your drill bit. That's it. And so there you go. I hope you find this fun, and I hope you give this big full-page book a try. It's a lot of fun, a nice way to do a fabric cover, and I'll put the link to the other video below if you want to see how to do the covered style, if you want your spine covered so it doesn't show. You can do that as well, and you get the same kind of look, which is very cool. And they're very quick and easy to make. So there you go, folks. I hope you had fun. And for those of you who have been here a while, thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys coming by and commenting and sharing everything that you do. You guys are amazing and wonderful. And everybody who's new, a big warm welcome to all of you. And I hope you're having fun learning how to make books, or maybe you're making books and doing fun things with them, and you know, expressing yourself and finding your favorite way to make a book. And there are 1,000,001 ways to make a book, and we're going to explore every one of them here at the Paper Outpost. So, and if you don't know, my videos come out Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, and Saturdays. 7 a.m. Eastern Time. My podcasts come out Tuesdays and Thursdays, which is new material, new audio, different from the videos, and it's free to listen to, and you can find it on Apple or Spotify, or if you don't have any of that fancy stuff or any cool gear, gizmos, or anything, you just click the link below in the drop-down box, and it's free to listen to anytime. There's 3 years worth of material there. And I have a free monthly emailed newsletter that if you sign up for, you get a free digital image emailed to you monthly, and a note from the bookmaker, a checklist of surprise updates from me, and junk journal tips. So make sure you sign up. And the Paper Outpost Facebook group, we're doing weekly and monthly challenges and seeing what you guys make from these videos and getting so inspired by each other. So please feel free to jump on over there and join. We'd love to have you. And I have an Etsy shop where I sell printable downloads called Vintage Digikits, and I have over 100 kits for sale. They each have 5 pages each. And there's lots of fun things to explore if you're doing a themed journal, or you just want a bunch of mushrooms or birds or flowers or butterflies or whatever it is. I've got lots to pick from. And if you're interested in FUNDLES, FUNDLES are ephemera collections. They're old, fascinating papers combined with some new papers, but just all very interesting papers to use in junk journal making. And there's about 100 in a pack, and a hard copy mailed a pack to you. And I also have an Amazon shop. If you're ever looking for that, if you're looking for favorite tools or supplies that you see me use here on the Paper Outpost, I try and list everything in there for you. And if you're having a hard time finding the link, just go ahead and type in Google Amazon and Paper Outpost, and my link will come up, and you just click on it. It takes you directly to my store. Otherwise, you can find the direct link down below in the description box. You can find me on Instagram and Pinterest and Twitter and LinkedIn and Facebook. And remember that you can find, if you find value here or you had some fun, please like, subscribe, and share, and click the notification bell. And remember that fun can be simple, and create with reckless abandon, everybody. And never let lack of a craft supply stop you. Take care. Till next time.